What's going on, guys? Today I will be talking or reviewing the Origami Network ICO. I will be talking about what they do. Next up I will be talking why it's interesting to invest into them. I will also be explaining why they need a blockchain for their product. I will be talking about the team behind the Origami Network. I will be talking about their partnerships. And I will also be talking about how they will use Chainlink in their product. And lastly, I will be talking about the token sale, of course. So what do they do? We can actually split this up in three parts. First of all, we have the Origami Marketplace. Secondly, we got the Origami Payment System. And thirdly, we got the Origami Review System. First, we will be talking about the Origami Marketplace. First up, we have the Origami Marketplace. It's a really easy way for a business to create its online marketplace. In the white paper, you can find some screenshots from the dashboard you can use once you have set up your online marketplace. So you get some details on the sales, the shipping, etc. In this marketplace, there's also an implementation from the Origami Payment and the Origami Review, which I will be explaining next. So the Origami Payment System. Why should we be using the Origami Payment System instead of fiat? Firstly, the fees are lower. When you would be using fiat, you would pay much more fees. And secondly, which is also really attractive in my opinion, is that you will get a cashback when you will be paying in Ori, which is the token. And then there's of course some other reasons, which you can look up at their website. But what is also really interesting in my opinion is that the Origami payment system can be integrated into new or existing marketplaces and can also be used in marketplaces that don't directly handle payments yet. We also have the Origami review system, which will be based on the blockchain. It will solve the unregulated nature of reviews, which is where Chainlink will come in. Chainlink will connect the Origami review smart contracts with the critical external data from carriers. You will also be rewarded when your review is validated with some Ori. With the Ori, you can of course buy products from the marketplace. So why do we need a blockchain for this project, or why do we need a blockchain for an online marketplace? You can read all of this on their website. They make a comparison between the Origami Network and the traditional platforms such as Amazon and Airbnb. So first off, of course, the Origami Network is decentralized, which means you don't need a third party, or you don't need an intermediary. Because of the blockchain technology behind it, or the payment system, you will have to pay lower fees, whereas when you are using traditional platforms, you will be using or paying a lot of fees on your fiat. There's also a lot less of security problems with the Origami Network, whereas with the traditional platforms, your information can get stolen or hacked. Smart contracts are unbreakable and executed automatically, whereas with the traditional platforms, you will need the intermediary of a third person. And something which is also quite revolutionary, I think, is that with the Origami review system, you will get an improvement for the management system of sellers, whereas with the traditional platforms, you can manipulate reviews or even post fake reviews, etc. You can find all of this information on their website, ori.network. So Origami Network has three co-founders. Firstly, we have the CEO, Julien. Secondly, we have the CTO, Vincent. And thirdly, we have Alexandre, the CMO. The company exists since January 2015 and currently employs some people. So an account manager, a sales and marketing guy, a full stack developer, and two back-end or blockchain developers. They also have a company since, let me see, January 2012, with which they launched in an online marketplace. And you can also check out their LinkedIn profiles. As you can see, they have one company since 2012. Let me look it up. Which is Comment se ruiner in French, which they have built on with the three of them. And of course we have the Origami Network, which they are currently working on. So the partnerships or companies already using the Origami marketplace. First off, we have their own project, which is using the Origami marketplace. They have more than 300k monthly visitors. Secondly, we have Mini Moi, which has already more than 50 sellers. We also have Lapin Blanc, which has more than 5,000 sellers and more than 100,000 monthly visitors. We also have Commerce de Wallonie, which is a Belgian marketplace, but this marketplace will be launched in February 2018, so I actually need to check if they already launched or not. And we also have a upcoming marketplace that is launching in Q2 of 2018. Then we will move on to the partners. They are on their website, but it's easier to look at them from the white paper. So first off, they are partnered with Uriat Technologies, which is home to over 300 startups. So they have helped to navigate them throughout the ICO and the company. Then they are also a team of a French entrepreneurs network, Réseau Entreprendre Nord. And then something really interesting is that they are backed by two big banks in France. They are both early investors since February 2017, so that is CIC and BPI France. And then there's also the French Tech. It's a global movement celebrating French innovation, entrepreneurship, and startups, as stated on their website. So, why do I think this is a really good investment? First off, they have a working product, and they have a legit team. I actually asked them if I can pass by to say hello to them, and they said that I was more than welcome to visit them, since it's only like a 2-hour drive for me. So, I mean, I don't think they have anything to hide. And then thirdly, there's a really low hard cap. The hard cap is only about 5,000 Ethereum, which means that it's probably not going to exceed a market cap of around 5 million. So this was my first ICO review. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. And if you have any more questions, you can ask them down below, or I'm pretty sure the guys, so the 3 co-founders, are more than happy to help you in their Telegram or whatever kind of social media you want to use to contact them. So yeah, good luck. And you can also use the referral link in my description down below, so you will get a 5% bonus on the tokens. Peace.